This is really big news for all MacBook lovers. Now we can upgrade our Macs every 90 days and that too without paying the full amount of new Mac. Interesting, right? Hello all, I'm Nikhil from iGeeks blog, and today in this video, let's talk about the all-new Mac upgrade program by Apple. Mac spotted this first time and tweeted about the new Apple Mac upgrade program. Apple launched this new program on its business portal, stating now business can opt for a Mac upgrades every 90 days. Apple collabs with a certified third-party finance partner named CIT. With this program, registered businesses can get any MacBook at an affordable monthly subscription. And that subscription word reminds me to request you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let me tell you that I'm not charging any single penny for that, and it's completely free. Okay, moving on. With this program, businesses can afford a base model of MacBook Air, which is $999 at a monthly subscription of $30. 13-inch MacBook Pro at $39 per month, 14-inch MacBook Pro at $60 per month, and 16-inch MacBook Pro at $75 per month. And that is just 3% of the price of the actual product. Now the question is, what is the process to avail this service? Open CIT.com. From this website, you can apply for this new program and upload documents along with your application. Once it's approved, you will require to e-sign some documents. CIT will issue a purchase order to Apple to process your order. And after that, you will receive a MacBooks in a decided time. That's so simple. There is no clarity of terms and condition, but the only one we came to know is that businesses will require to opt for a minimum 90 days of subscription for every single product, and after that you can upgrade if a new model comes out. And that's it. Do let me know your reactions to this new Apple program in the comments down below. Love to read them all. And along with that, like this video, share this video, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, download our all new iGeeks blog app to enjoy exclusive content about everything Apple. Now, allow me to say goodbye. I'm Nikhil signing off. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay connected.